Microsoft just handed you a renewal quote. Is it a fair deal or a ripoff? Without benchmarks, how would you know? Here's the truth. Microsoft counts on you being in the dark. They throw out a number, call it standard, and hope you'll sign. Don't. Benchmarking is your secret weapon. Know what discounts companies your size actually get. If you're offered 5% but peers get 15%, you've got evidence and leverage. Microsoft hates that, but they respect it. Also, benchmark your usage. Are you really using all those E5 bells and whistles? Or could you downgrade to E3 and save millions? Don't let Microsoft license you for features you'll never touch. And don't stop there. Compare to Google, Amazon, others. Even if you never switch, just knowing their pricing arms you with leverage. Bottom line, vague complaints get ignored, hard data gets results. Bring benchmarks, prove what you should pay, and make Microsoft sharpen their pencil. Follow me for more straight talk tips on keeping vendors honest.